What's up, Theta Network holders? So this is the latest short update for all Theta Network. Just and only my friends, 2 minute update video. Kindly must watch. Absolutely, I will share opinion. I will give you price prediction video. So please now subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification and don't skip any video, my friend. You can see here this time, my friend, in last 24 hours, this coin were lost. Now you can see here definitely minus 7.27%. It's very high, my friend. Spell very bad fails, but sometime you can see here this coin will also moving upward very highly. You can see, my friend, absolutely this time the candle is completely going to be red now, and definitely, my friend, you can see here at the last point. So that's clear, my friend. You can see here to this coin will get a profit absolutely after this dump. They will moving upward, so I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will also moving upward very fastly. But just and only you will need, my friends, to hold it. If you are hold, so I will give you 100% guarantee, Theta Network holders, to upcoming time this coin will completely get a profit. Please, my friend, this time you can see the highest price is 5.81 USD dollar, and if we check out, my friend, just in only the latest price, so the latest price you can see here 5.16 USD dollar. So 5.16, I think this is very cheap now. They were fails to 5.16, but don't worry, my friend, after a short fail absolutely they will take a very huge jump now, and I hope, my friends, they will easily hit these highest targets now. But you will need, my friends, to hold. If you are hold, so I hope they will get a profit. Please, holders, don't starting selling without any research, and don't research, my friends, especially on my Instagram, etc., Facebook, because there is a lot of fake, my friends. So kindly you will need to search on Twitter, search on YouTube. I hope, my friend, you will found a very good decision, because, my friend, in those days a lot of my friends creators are using, my friend, a promo videos, so therefore they will get a fake advice. So remember to I not make a financial video. I just make, my friends, I just advice video, make advice video for all of you. This is just advising. So kindly hold your research personally before, my friend, take any decision. See you next time, Theta Network holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel.